When you search for the best concrete oil stain remover, everything looks the same. Same bottles, same claims. But to really find out what actually works, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Chomp. Pull It Out 32 FL Oz. First up, we have the Chomp Pull It Out Concrete Oil Stain Remover in the 32 FL Oz size. This product caught my attention with its strong reputation and a price tag of around $17.97. If you want an effective solution to lift tough oil stains from your concrete driveway or garage floor, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This formula is the industry's most powerful oil stain lifter, designed to penetrate deep into porous surfaces like concrete and brick. It tackles common oil and petroleum-based stains, such as transmission and brake fluid, making it perfect for those stubborn spots on your driveway. With over 11,700 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, many users vouch for its effectiveness. Here's the thing though, once it dries, it's actually pulling the stains out. So if you don't mind waiting a bit, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you have persistent oil stains that need serious attention. Skip this one if you're looking for an instant fix since it requires some drying time. At this price, it offers great value for a powerful stain remover. Now, if the drying time of the Chomp Pull It Out bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Chomp Pull It Out 128 FL Oz. Next, let's talk about the larger version of the same product, the Chomp Pull It Out Concrete Oil Stain Remover in the 128 FL Oz size for about $49.97. If you're dealing with multiple stains or larger areas, this is definitely worth considering. The deep penetrating formula lifts stains just like its smaller counterpart, but offers double the amount. This means you can clean larger spaces without needing to constantly refill. It also boasts a similar safety profile, being free from bleach and harmful chemicals. For those who have been grappling with oil stains, this product is backed by the same reliable 4.1-star rating and over 11,700 reviews. However, some users did mention that the larger size can be a bit bulky and hard to handle. But honestly, if you're tackling big jobs, the extra volume is a huge advantage, and you'll appreciate not running out mid-clean. This is perfect for you if you have extensive cleaning needs like a large garage or workshop. Skip this if you're just dealing with a couple of small spots. For the price, it's a solid investment to keep your concrete looking clean. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for eco-conscious users. Product number 3, CAF Outdoor Cleaning EXIMO Waterless Cleaner. Now we have the CAF Outdoor Cleaning EXIMO Waterless Concrete Cleaner, priced at around $48.80. This caught my eye for its eco-friendly approach, and if you're looking for a cleaner that's natural, this is worth your attention. The EXIMO uses a natural breakdown process that targets oil stains without needing water. With a 4.1-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, users love its effectiveness on various surfaces like driveways and garage floors. This means less scrubbing for you and a product that's safer for the planet. But here's the catch. Some users found the powder tricky to apply uniformly, especially on larger areas. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, you can achieve great results without the hassle of rinsing. This is perfect for you if you care about the environment and want a simpler, waterless solution. Skip this one if you prefer a liquid cleaner that you can just spray and go. The larger container also gives you plenty of product for the money. Now, if you're looking for something more versatile for various surfaces, let's check out our next option. Product number 4, Crude Cutter Original Cleaner Degreaser. Next on the list is the Crude Cutter Original Cleaner Degreaser, coming in at just $7.98. This one stood out for its versatility across different surfaces, and if you want a multi-purpose cleaner, this is worth considering. This heavy-duty degreaser is designed to tackle grease, oil, and grime on various surfaces, including concrete. With over 4,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its fast-acting cleaning power. However, some users reported that it doesn't always work on stubborn stains without scrubbing. Here's my take: if you're okay with a little elbow grease, It's a fantastic option for a range of cleaning needs, both indoors and out. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly degreaser that can handle multiple surfaces. Skip this if you need a specialized concrete cleaner, since it may not lift some tough stains without additional effort. At this price, it's a steal. Now, if you want another natural option that's easy to manage, let's wrap up with our final recommendation. Product number 5, CAF Outdoor Cleaning EXIMO 0.75 lb. Finally, we have the CAF Outdoor Cleaning EXIMO in a smaller 0.75 lb size for about $25.94. This compact cleaner is perfect for targeted treatments, and if you're looking for something lightweight, this is a great option. Like its larger counterpart, this uses a natural process to break down oil stains without needing water. With a 4.1-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, many users appreciate its effectiveness in tackling smaller areas or touch-ups. On the flip side, some found it less effective on larger stains since the smaller container limits application. But honestly, if you're just dealing with a small spill or leak, this is a convenient solution that won't overwhelm you. This is perfect for you if you need something compact for quick fixes around your home. Skip this if you have bigger areas to clean, as the smaller size might not be sufficient. Given its price, it offers good value for targeted treatments. So to wrap it up, Chomp, Pull It Out in both sizes offers solid options for tough stains, with the larger size being great for extensive jobs. The CAF EXIMO products provide eco-friendly choices, with the larger one being perfect for bigger projects and the smaller option for quick fixes. Lastly, Crude Cutter stands out for its versatility but requires a bit of scrubbing for tough stains. Choose what fits your needs best, and your concrete will thank you.